Hello, it's Gem Games here once again, and in this video we are going to add sound effects to our game. So yeah, let's get started. First you want to go to the link in the description and you want to download this sounds folder. Okay? After that, you want to go to your game, to the blueprints, and you want to create a new folder. Let's call it sounds. Let's open it and let's import all those sound files there. Now, I noticed that some of these sound effects are like, they doesn't have like the same volume level. So for example, this point, we cannot do it yet. We want to first select these one by one, right click, create queue, flap, create queue, game over, create queue, high score, create queue, and point, create queue. Okay, now let's create a folder called queues. Now let's select all the queues, so Control and select all by left clicking, not the folder. Let's move them to the folder. Now let's open the queues folder. Now this point, this is too loud, so let's change this volume multiplier to like 0.5. Save, close, let's see. I actually think that these are all pretty okay. Now you can adjust the volumes if you want by changing the volume multiplier. But yeah, now we want to go to the blueprints and we want to open our player bird blueprint class. Okay, and here on the event graph, on the death event, we want to move all this code. Let's select all. Let's unselect the death event like that. Let's move all it a little bit further. Let's get from the death event and let's play sound 2D. Now let's select the sound asset, which will be the game over queue. Okay, now let's copy this node, Control C. Now on the jump event, let's do the same. Let's select all. Let's unselect the event. Let's move it further. And let's move it a little bit more. And let's paste the play sound 2D here. Let's change the queue to flap queue. Okay, the next thing we want to do, we want to compile, we want to save, and we can close the player bird. Now we want to go to the GM Flappy. And here on the... Actually, we don't have to do anything here. Sorry about that. We want to go to the pipes. And here on the pipes, here at the bottom, on component begin overlap point collision. Here at the end, after this true, we want to paste the node. Here we want to play the point queue. Now let's compile, let's save, let's close this. Let's go to the HUD folder. Let's open the game over widget blueprint. Okay, I don't know what that was, but yeah. Now let's select our button. Let's scroll down and on-click event. And here after the play animation, let's paste the node. Play sound 2D. I don't know why I opened this, but now we want to click Q, play this sound, okay? And also on the load high score function, here at the end where we check if our points are higher than our old high score, here after play animation, we want to play, and we want to play our high score Q. You can obviously use whatever sound files with this, but yeah. Now let's compile. Let's save all. Let's go to the level 1 and let's play and see. So, okay, it's working. Okay, yes, and high score is 4. So let's try to get that. Let's see. Okay, 5, let's see. Okay, all the sounds work. So yeah, I actually think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one.